Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Do you want to know more about interjections? We will be discussing that in this video. Before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CS ebooks and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Interjections. Interjections are exclamatory words that usually express strong emotion. An interjection can stand by itself, or it may be followed by a related sentence. Some examples of interjections are: wow, bravo, hey, yikes. Here is another example of an interjection used in a sentence: bravo, you did a great job. These are some examples of interjections. Focus on the italicized word. It uses an exclamation mark to point out the strong emotion. It can stand on its own and can also be followed by a related sentence. To test whether you understood the topic, let us answer the following exercise. Identify the interjection used in the sentence. You have 15 seconds to answer each item. Identify the interjection in the following sentence. Help! That guy stole my purse. A. Purse. B. Help. Time is up. The answer to the first item is letter B. Help. Find the interjection in the following sentence. Ouch! You are hurting me. A. Ouch. B. Hurting. Time is up. The answer to the second item is letter A. Find the interjection in the following sentence. Wow! You were really amazing out there. A. Wow. B. There. Time is up. The answer to the third item is letter A. Wow. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CS ebooks and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.